Amaphoyisa anikele kule mjondolo yaseLusaka ekuseni namhlanje ngenhloso yokuzobopha abasolwa abebefunelwa uxhaxha lwamacala obugebengu. Athi athe uma efika abasolwa bavulela ngenhlamvu bebhekise kuwo.
These are the suspects that we're looking for cases of murder, extortion, house robberies in the areas of Kwandengezi, Marian Hill, Mpumalanga Township, and Sunduzi areas. And we had our intelligence looking for them as well. So when they got wind of where they were, they informed the team that okay, they are at a spot in this area. We came here in the early hours of this morning in peace, as we always do as the police. And then they shot at the police, shootout ensued. And at the end of the shootout, 5 of them were shot and fatally wounded.
Ababili babasolwa bayizelamani bese kuba noyedwa ongokufika kulelizwe. Kanti abanye ababili abakadalulwa ukuthi bangobani.
2 of the 5 have not been identified, but the other 3, 2 of them are siblings and 1 of them is a foreign national. For now we are not in a position to mention the country they are coming from.
Umsolwa omncane kunabo bonke uneminyaka eyi-15.
We've got boys who are supposed to be going to school, but they're involved in crimes, they're involved in drugs, murders, and all those things. They're having guns. So if you're going to find a 17-year-old shooting at the police with a gun, it becomes a concern.
Umndeni womsolwa oneminyaka eyi-15 aweneme ngendlela amaphoyisa enze ngayo.
Simesifika safica namajacket abo la eminyango asazi noma bebebaleka babuyiselwe endlini ikona nje ukumbuza kumina ukuthi ukuthi bebezoboshwa bebengaboshwa ngani kunokuthi baze bathathwe bonke bayobondela isendlini bebulawe. Nemibuzo engiyibuzayo ukuthi no engikuzwayo ukukhulunywa abantu la akungigculisi ebengingakuthanda nje ukuthi ngizwe ngalaba okuyibona benza uminakala ukuthi mhlambe sifikile la sithole information ingane mhlambe za actor mhlambe izona eziqalile zasidubula asazi ikona nje okungiphatha kabuhlungu ngoba lengane ino 15.
Amaphoyisa akhathazekile nangokuthi kutholakale nesibhamu sokuzenzela endaweni yesigameko uqhwasha.
When suspects can't find guns, they make their own guns. And they're as good as real guns because they shoot and kill. They use live ammunition. They use like your proper ammunition. And if they're so skillful or they've got somebody somewhere who's making these guns, we must find the person who's making guns and deal with them.
Amaphoyisa athi kungenzeka kuboshwe nabanye abasolwa.